Yes, hi guys. This is the final announcement regarding CA final audit face-to-face batch commencing in Chennai from 19th January. This month, just exactly after 10 days, the batch is going to start. So I'm once again here going to give you all the details. See, approximately till now, 55 students enrolled, and out of them 10 students have converted into recordings. So it is only 45 slots which were filled. We originally announced it for 60, 55 filled, but again 10 converted into recordings. So there is 15 more students vacancies there, but now we are adding another 15. Total we are increasing the batch size to 75. So another 30 students can join for the upcoming CA final face-to-face batch that is going to start in Chennai. But the entire details once again I'm going to show you here. The batch timing is from morning 7 o'clock it starts till 1 o'clock. And I will also tell you what resources that we are going to cover and what is the total duration. Everything I'm covering. Just watch till the end. And by the way, just like the video and comment where are you watching this from. And see that is something motivates us. The more you like the video, I know you like it, but if you like the button, that will help us to know, okay, how many are really actually liking. There are so many students who are watching but not liking. Fine, anyhow. So 19th it will start, 20th February, plus or minus 5 days variation, plus or minus 5 days variation, but not more than that. The morning 7 to 1, adequate breaks will be given. Now the first question is, sir, will there be a batch on Sunday also? The mode, the way we operate face-to-face is like every day we'll have a class. Even on Sundays, even on festivals, we have a class. But whenever faculty, for example, in my case, this advanced audit I'm handling, right? When I want to take a break because of any emergency or because I have any sudden requirement, only those days I will take break. So for me, I never work on a Sunday. I mean, it's like it's not like I don't work on Sunday, I don't work on holiday. No, that is not the mode of working which I am habituated to. I work on every day and I take break whenever we want it. So when the holidays will be there during this entire period, it is not completely certain. Okay, because in between this entire duration from Jan 19th to 20, approximately some 4 to 5 days pakka I definitely need a break. One time I have to go Tirupati, so 2 to 3 days I will be taking a break. Again I have to go in between for one occasion in Hyderabad. Some 2 to 3 days I need. Except those 2 breaks, generally I feel there won't be any break. At a stage 2 weeks the class will go without a break. That's what you need to remember, keep in mind. Okay, so that's it. So this is regarding the whether holiday is there or not. What is the timing? 7 to 1. Again, within the 7 to 1, 6 hours of slot ma, close to 1 hour breaks will be given for breakfast as well as for coffee, tea breaks and all. 1 hour close to breaks will be given out of 7 to 1. Like for every 1 hour I'm having a habit of giving 10 minutes break, so that's how it will come easily 1 hour time. Then total duration is going to come somewhere between 130 to 140 hours. And the material that I'm going to use is the new Goat Notes 2026 edition. I hope every one of you are aware regarding our new Goat Notes. So just opens rest of a CACMS site, and here in the books, don't worry, face-to-face class we will give you in the class. You just enroll for face-to-face, we will give you books as well, and I will also tell you the fees, 7,500 for face-to-face, and we will give you 2 months backup. We'll give you 2 months backup class also, don't worry. So whatever the face-to-face session is going on, the same will be recorded and the backup will be provided. Now here if you see books and go to CA final, here it is already mentioned. You can see this full set. You get the Goat Notes 26 edition, Question Bank 26 edition, Chart Notes. I will show you right now this 26 edition book also. Question Bank also I'll show you. Today I'm freezing the last chapter of the Question Bank. So tomorrow I'm sending it for printing. And fantastic Question Bank, guys, till now. Why? I'll show you just a minute. This is a Question Bank. For example, this is one of the chapter, Audit Report. You see all illustrations were with one background color. Then all TYK questions were with one particular background color. And these are all past exam questions where we covered model test paper questions, we covered MTPs, we covered RTPs, we covered past exam questions. We call it as MRP category, MRP, mock revision and then past exam paper questions. So we cover that. So this entirely is given, you see. And we have even one more feature. Wherever some questions are difficult or appear something different, we tag it in the name called exceptional. In the book itself we identified and kept something called exceptional questions. That's it. So this is the book that you're going to get in face-to-face. And by the way, the next question is, sir, what about recorded classes of the same and online live, is it possible? online live from the beginning. I don't know why I'm not comfortable with online live, because that system setting, some live students, I need to interact with them also in the online. I feel somewhat not comfortable with online live from the beginning. So that's the reason I always only put recording mode, and face to face I will do that. Recording will be happening simultaneously on the same day. The class will be uploaded in the application also. Those of you who are purchasing recorded classes, they can happily purchase on the same day. It will be available from 19th onwards. From 19th onwards in our website, you can enroll this particular batch recording, because recording will be available on the same date. So every day, as and when the class is over, recordings will be uploaded into the website. So that's regarding the recorded classes. And for recorded classes also, the price is going to be 6,500 rupees without books. And books, already 12,49. So total approximately 7,700 is what the books. This is a regular batch, proper. I don't call it as regular. I don't call it as exam oriented. I call it as regular exam oriented, RIO. I will call it as a RIO, because entire discussion in the classroom will be from the standard which IC is expecting in exams. Right now exams are, like, very well top notch. They're testing with high quality of paper, high quality of questioning, everything. So it will be real exam oriented discussion, and it will be like detailed, like a regular. We will not ignore even one concept. Not even one concept will be ignored. Everything will be discussed in the classroom. Now so I showed you edition 2026 question bank. I showed you, and guess what, one special thing that we are going in this batch is ICS study material also I'm going to revise, because in this batch I want my student to score 30 on 30 in MCQ. For that reason, one time reading of ICS study material is must. At least for, out of 19 chapters, for 15 chapters at least you have to read ICA material. 30 on 30 is what my target for all the students enrolling this batch. 30 on 30 they should get. For that reason, ICS study material I will use and do a quick revision after we complete each and every chapter. So this is one speciality in this batch. So in recorded classes, in this particular RIO batch, regular come exam oriented, okay. And I also have something called chat notes. I hope you are aware of it, the chat notes. The chat notes will also be, whatever GOAT notes first we discuss in depthly, then we discuss an ICS study material, then we connect it with you, the chat notes, for a quicker revision. And MCQ discussion, you have ICA case scenario booklet, right? 35 case scenario booklet, that recorded classes will be given to you. So this is the entire course details. So summary, what is the summary? 7,500 rupees for face-to-face batch. 2 months backup will be given, and books also included in this. Sir, I want recorded classes. 6,499, where you will get 1.8 view or maybe 1.7 view, 2 years backup. You will have 2 years validity, and here 1249 books you have to pay separately for this particular new batch. Now, some students have a doubt. Sir, you already have an exam oriented batch in the website, right? Yes, I will show you. For example, we have something called in CA final already exam oriented batch. This is my edition 2025 class, which is 4,799 plus 1249. Okay, so this particular batch, will this be applicable for May exam, September, Jan 27? Absolutely applicable. Only one amendment is there in this. So this is exam oriented, where the explanation will be little faster. Coverage is same, dude. So coverage, there is no change in regular, and here the coverage is 100%, everywhere the same. But the pace at which we discuss, the depth at which we discuss will be little higher. 15% extra in regular, because this batch duration is just 115 hours. Whereas that one will be 130 plus MCQ discussion, ICA case scenario discussion, all put together it will be 140 to 145. This will be 115 plus MCQ discussion, all put together 120, I can say, maybe less than 125. Whereas that is 140 to 145. So 15% duration difference will be there between these two. Okay, so even 20 hours really matters a lot in online. I hope you know very well, because students are hardly watching any classes in online. So really 20 hours make a lot of difference to the, the overall duration. 20 hours for one subject, 20 hours really makes a lot of difference. I know very well. So that's the reason this exam oriented course, we thought not to continue this, but we decided to continue. We are going to rename this as a fast track batch. Okay, after 10 days, once that batch is launched, we are going to rename this as maybe probably EO fast track, like that. That is regular come exam oriented. Okay, and I'm telling you, you are going to experience audit this time more amazingly. Now, by the way, what about the GOAT notes, sir? You said 2026 version GOAT notes, right? You just go to free resources. You can download here. CA final, you just click, GOAT notes, 2026 GOAT notes. You see, I'll show you. Wonderful GOAT notes, guys. This is just 360 pages notes. Entire auditing 360 degrees it is covered. Just 360 pages good notes. And you can see how beautifully we covered every points. Every point, keywords are highlighted. This is the material that we are going to use in our class. I'll just open another chapter. You can see here, that's the first chapter. Then this is the second chapter, gap and responsibilities of auditor. So like this. And if you open, this is some fourth or fifth chapter. Third chapter, audit strategy planning. See the notes, how beautiful the notes is. Yes or no? So I'm telling you, you can really get amazing clarity in audit just by following this particular class. What I can promise you is, you get 30 on 30 just by watching the class. No need to even revise it later. Just watch the class, get 30 on 30 in MCQs. That is my assurance. Provided you watch the class correctly, 100% content. Not skipping 10 hours video content, 20 hours you should not skip. Total whatever course that we are giving you, watch it fully. I bet and I challenge you score 30 on 30 in MCQ. And in audit, all the students just target, I should get only 40 in audit. Amma, if I get 40 in audit, that's enough. No. Try aiming 60 in audit. Definitely you will get it. Another 20 to 30 marks in descriptive paper is not a big deal. If at all you are cracking 30 out of 30 in MCQ, getting another 20 to 30 marks in descriptive paper is not a big deal with this kind of learning. Clear? So I think fees details I spoke, the GOAT notes new edition I showed, question bank I showed new edition, and ICS study material quick revision I'm going to do in this batch. Charts connect will be there, MCQ discussion will be there, and the timings face to face, recorded, online live is not there. Everything I spoke, right? So why late? How to enroll? The final question on Telegram. You can reach me. You can reach our team at Ram Harsha CA, at RAMHARSHA, Ram Harsha CA. Okay, and this is the Telegram ID. You can just, even in the course below description also, my Telegram ID, or else in the comments I'll put the Telegram ID. Just click there, you can reach there, and you have to register by directly paying us. Okay, this for face to face we take it directly. It is not on the website. Clear? That's it, guys. I hope do you have any other query? Just put a comment below, and definitely I'll reply your comment with all the details further. That's it, guys. Take care. All the very best.